So guys, you remember when I installed the radio first time, I didn't have any radio because I didn't have an extension for the antenna from the trunk of the car all the way up to the radio. So I went on Wish and I bought this antenna right here. It cost me $7 or 6 euros if you're using euros. And so I've test fitted it and it's working, and it's actually quite a good signal. So we're just gonna mount it. I tried to put the antenna behind the radio, but that didn't work. It was a bit fuzzy, the signal, and it didn't sound so good. So we need to mount it on the window. So we need to find out where to mount it, in the corner or down here. We'll find out how to do it, and then we're gonna tuck the wire, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So let's get into it. So I've decided to mount the antenna right there. It's right behind, over the rear view mirror. So I'm just gonna tuck the wire in with my finger like so, like this. And once we get to the corner over here, I'm gonna tuck the wire in the A-pillar right there, and I'm gonna put it underneath this trim like I did with the rear view camera. So let's do that. So the easiest way to get the wire in here, just go open the door. Take your one finger and like pull the trim out. Take your other finger and just the wire on the right side of the finger and just push down like that. And you'll, at the same time, you'll hold the trim up and push the wire in. So just like that all the way down. It's the same way as I did it with the rear view camera. Like so. Once you get to this part, you can't get this trim piece out, so you're just gonna push the wire in that hole there is between the trim piece and the dashboard like that, like so. And it's almost invisible. You will not notice it when you open the door or anything, so just push it in like that. And that's it. Now we're just gonna take the wires underneath the pedals right here, push it up and get in behind the radio. So to get the wire in behind the radio, we're gonna need to remove this plastic cover here underneath the steering wheel. So there's one screw here, one screw right there, one in the middle, and then there's a plastic clip right here you need to remove. Then when we remove them, this will fall down, and then we can get the wires underneath. Now, I'm just gonna take the wire, get it underneath all this. That's the old radio wire you can see right there, the green and white and all the colors. Get it all the way up through there and take it from inside behind the radio. The wires is gonna come up here. You see, this is the radio wire tucked in the radio install. So the wire is gonna come up here. So you just need to feel with your hand to try to find it down here. Like so. That's it. So once we pull this wire, everything's gonna go in place behind here. Like so. Just like that. And then we can push this back up inside here. And we have tucked the wire successfully. So yeah, this is a very big wire mess because I had a ton of extra cable for the aftermarket radio. So this is a very big mess and I need to sort it out. But right now it's very late, so I'm just gonna put it back in as it is. It's quite easy. One antenna, one hole. It's very easy, just stick it in. Like so.
So she said.
And now we have radio, so I'm gonna hold it for long because I don't want to get a copyright. But now we have a radio, so that's it. That's how you install the antenna if you didn't order the extra long cable, as I didn't. It's okay, it doesn't look too bad. It's hidden up there, you see. From the outside you will not notice it too much because it's black, and these small dots here makes it like it hides it pretty good, so no one will really notice it. So before I end this video, I have some things I want to talk about because it's quite hard to start up with YouTube. I had an expectation that I needed to be some kind of person that I'm not. I watched a lot of other YouTubers and they are pretty much used to what they're doing now, but I'm new in it, so I can be quite scared or frightened because in Denmark it's very uncommon to film yourself and talk to yourself, and for me it's very weird because you guys, I'm talking to you guys, you're watching me now and I'm talking to you, but for my part I'm talking to a camera, so that's quite weird, so I need to get used to that. So from now on I'm gonna try to be more natural and like be myself. I had an expectation that I had to be somebody that I'm not, to be quite honest, so I'm gonna be much more natural in my videos from now on. And I'm new with the YouTube thing and I have to get used to filming every day, and the thing is I have a full-time job besides this YouTube thing, so it's hard to always have time to do it. I want to do it, and I saw there was like one guy commenting in the videos that I shouldn't be a teacher or something like that, and he didn't like the video, and that's fair enough, but I'm not doing this for the money. I'm doing it because I think it's fun, and I'm doing it to learn at the same time and show you guys how I'm learning and how I'm evolving, and everybody can do it, and I think it's fun to build cars, and I saw a lot of YouTubers do it and I was like, why should I try to do it? So I'm gonna try to do it, and I'm gonna try to teach you guys at the same time that I'm learning it. And I know the quality of my videos hasn't been too good lately, because one thing, I've never filmed anything or made videos ever, but now I'm trying to learn, and I'm gonna try to see if my friends can help me with it, and so the quality will improve over time, as everything else will, because you need to get used to filming, and I need to get used to cutting the videos and making them on my computer, and I don't know how to do it, to be honest. I'm watching YouTube videos, tutorials how to do it, and I'm just trying. So I need to get used to everything, so bear with me, and I promise you that one day I'm gonna be very good at this. But for now, this is how it is, and I'm gonna learn over time. So, and the future videos, I have 3 videos ready. I just need to finish them up, and I'm gonna post them one every second week or something like that. I have the iBus mod I got from the iMod BMW. I have how to install that. I have the review of it, how to code daytime running lights and different things, and I have a rear view camera install as well. So that's what's coming in the next weeks, and in 2020 I'm gonna try to see if I can upload at least 2 videos a month. It's quite a hard thing to do for me because I have a full-time job besides this, and I need to like figure out what to do with the car. So if you guys have some good ideas or something what to do with the car, comment down in the comment section and tell me what you would like to see me to do to the car, because I have some ideas, but I'll always take new ideas in. So if you enjoy the video, if you want to see the E46 Touring build get like much further, just comment down in the comment section and tell me what you would like to see with the car. And I hope you like this video, and I hope you learned about how to install an antenna. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. Remember to like and subscribe.